Masi, Masi, go get it. You didn't go get it. Did it go out too far? Come on, let's go get it. Let's go get it. Get it. Go on, get it. Oh, you had to go pee, didn't you? I'm sorry. Well, this is a great diluter. Masi, you're not going to catch that. Yes. You're not going to catch the seagull. Okay, let's go get your bumper. Go get your bumper. Can you do it? Or do you need Mama to help you? You want Mom to help you? Here's your bumper. Come on, Mas. Catching seagulls is not going to work. Get your bumper. Okay, so my Aussie is now trying to catch seagulls in the air. This is what happens when you do not give a herding dog what they need to do to herd properly. They start herding damn seagulls. Okay, let's get the bumper and get out of here.